Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or businesses, affiliates, earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. This model benefits all parties involved. The merchant gets more sales, the affiliate earns money, and the customer finds products or services that suit their needs. In this blog, we'll dive into the details of how affiliate marketing works, its benefits, and how to get started. How affiliate marketing works. 1. Merchant. The merchant, also known as the product creator, is the company or individual that creates the product or service. This can range from large companies like Amazon to individual entrepreneurs. 2. Affiliate. The affiliate or publisher promotes the merchant's product to potential customers. Affiliates use various marketing strategies like blogging, social media, email marketing, and more to attract traffic. 3. Customer. The customer completes the affiliate marketing system. When they buy a product through the affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission. 4. Affiliate network. In some cases, an affiliate network acts as an intermediary between the affiliate and the merchant. It provides a platform for affiliates to find products to promote and for merchants to find affiliates to promote their products. The network also manages payments and tracks performance. 5. Tracking. Affiliate links are unique URLs provided by the merchant or affiliate network to track the traffic and sales generated by each affiliate. These links use cookies to remember the visitor's interaction with the affiliate site, ensuring the affiliate gets credited for any sales. Benefits of affiliate marketing. 1. Low startup costs. Starting with affiliate marketing requires minimal investment. You don't need to create products or manage inventory, and many affiliate programs are free to join. 2. Passive income. Once you've created content that promotes products, it can generate sales and commissions over time without ongoing effort, creating a stream of passive income. 3. Flexibility. Affiliates can choose products and niches they are passionate about, allowing them to tailor their marketing efforts to their interests and audience. 4. Scalability. As you grow your audience and optimize your marketing strategies, your earnings potential increases. There are no limits to how much you can earn. Getting started with affiliate marketing. 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche that interests you and has a substantial audience. Popular niches include health and wellness, technology, personal finance, and lifestyle. 2. Research affiliate programs. Find reputable affiliate programs that offer products or services relevant to your niche. Look for programs with competitive commissions, reliable tracking, and good support. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. 3. Create a platform. Build a platform to promote your affiliate products. This can be a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or an email list. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. 4. Produce quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Write detailed reviews, create how-to guides, and produce engaging videos to attract and retain your audience. Ensure your content is SEO-friendly to improve your search engine rankings. 5. Use affiliate links strategically. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Avoid overloading your audience with links, as this can appear spammy and reduce trust. Be transparent and disclose your affiliate relationships. 6. Drive traffic. Utilize various marketing strategies to drive traffic to your platform. This includes SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Experiment with different tactics to find what works best for your audience. 7. Analyze and optimize. Regularly analyze your performance using analytics tools. Track which products are performing well and which marketing strategies are driving the most traffic and conversions. Optimize your efforts based on these insights to maximize your earnings. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn money online by promoting products you believe in. With minimal investment, flexibility, and scalability, It offers a great opportunity for anyone looking to create a passive income stream. By choosing the right niche, creating valuable content, and effectively promoting products, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business.